All right, today we're talking about the Ghia's interior. And as you can see, I've already started tackling this rocker section. More about that in an upcoming video, so be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss it.
She's my what?
Okay, so a lot of as to be expected stuff going on here inside the car. Number one, the steering wheel, completely damaged, cracked, trash. The dash panel, completely cracked, damaged, trash. But looks like all my knobs and gauges are there, then that's great. Carpet, completely trashed. Door panels, complete trash. Headliner, trash. Seats, trash. Trash, 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 junk, trash, trash, it's trash, trash. All right, so much of the same with the back of the car. As far as structurally, everything looks really nice and sound. But as expected, the interior completely trashed, right? So new seats, new upholstery, new door panels. How many of you out there actually have a back seat? Or do you guys delete it all together? Comment below and let me know. I'm really interested in which direction I should go with this thing. I feel like we won't be using the back seat at all. So that's the interior of my Ghia. Let me know in the comments below what shape yours was in. Was it worse? Was it better? I'm gonna say it's safe to say that if you're doing a restoration, you're gonna wanna replace most of this stuff anyway. I got a couple questions for y'all. One is, my pan is in beautiful shape. And I'm not sure if that's because when I got the car, it was literally pancaked onto the dirt. I would assume that the moisture from the dirt would have ate up the pan, but for whatever reason, it's in great shape, so I'm lucky there. My second question is, inside the car, the top of the pan, there's some insulation in there. Looks like styrofoam, some noise canceling insulation or something. I just want to know if that's factory. And two, it's in good shape too. Would you remove it or not? Let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, that's the end of this episode. Check back in with us in a week to a week and a half. We're actually getting to the outside of the car. We're gonna be welding in some patch panels, doing some patch work. Hopefully I don't mess that up too much. I really appreciate everybody watching. Hit like and subscribe if you want. Comment below, I appreciate it.